trippy with the windows. I think someone could run right into it.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to Boise, Idaho. We are up and at it. It's about 12:30 and we just got some bikes. Tiff and I had to rent some because the hotel only had 2 left. So the kids got the nicer ones. Yeah, they're definitely nicer cruisers. And Tiff and I just got the city, city ones. But hey, we're out, we're exploring. We're right along the Boise River and there's this nice little trail here that goes all the way along the river, about 25 miles total. We're just gonna go in a certain direction until we feel like we've seen enough on that way. We're gonna go on the other side of the river and go back the other way. And so
this goes 25 miles?
We're gonna explore Boise. Yes, 25 miles. You ready for a bit long ride, Bryce?
You go all the way down.
All the way down. That's 50 miles total. You ready? Hope your legs are ready. This is awesome. Love it. I love it. The river's right there. The river's right there. You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
See any alligators? Crocodiles?
This is how we learn our driving, because it's like a mini road.
Yep, you can pass on the left. This is a river, bud. It's bigger, it's faster, and it's year-round. Creeks come and go with the rain. Huh? Yeah, the waterfall over there. It's moving fast. That'd be fun to tube, actually. That's fast. To tube it, yeah. If it's locked, you're good. So we stopped off at this Ram Brewery. I think it's called Ram Brewery. And we got some beer. And I got myself a spicy burger. It looks like a mess. Tiffany got herself a grilled turkey sandwich. And some salad.
And the kids are doing their own thing.
Kids are doing their own thing, yeah. No kids. Can't be at the bar with the kids. So Mama wanted an ice cold beer after our bike ride along the river. And we saw the brewery, like, oh, brewery, totally, we're gonna go there. Good food, good beer, we're good. But then Bryce saw Qdoba in the parking lot and was like, I really want Qdoba, burrito sounds good. So he was like, yeah, I can go for Qdoba. So we let the kids go to Qdoba by themselves.
So we get a little lunch date.
We get a little lunch date, get our beer.
And they get their little independent, sometimes it's good for them to do that. Order on their own.
I think it's very important. We think it's very important for kids to be independent, make their own decisions. And so, like, we let the kids order themselves when they're in line at Chipotle or Qdoba. Like, let them order themselves. When they're in a restaurant, let them pick their own items at a restaurant. Tell the server what they want, right? I think it's very important for that. So even in this moment where they're by themselves, 100% have to do everything on their own. Sierra's 14. She's old enough, mature enough to, help her brother out. So it's nice. How was Qdoba?
Great.
Was it great?
Yeah, good.
It was good, right?
See, I feel like for me, I'm still like with Chipotle Qdoba, I still don't need the meat. I tried ground beef there because Chipotle doesn't have ground beef, and they had pulled pork, but I was like, I'll try the ground beef. And for me, that was good because it's like mashed up and mixed in. There's like, sometimes carnitas has like the big chunks, that's what I don't like.
Right.
But like, the only thing I didn't like about it is like the seasoning. I feel like it's all I tasted. Like taco seasoning. I didn't taste the beans and the rice and the sour cream, the corn.
So you're like me, you don't need the meat.
Yeah.
Just go with guacamole.
But the guacamole is free there.
Yeah.
Oh, bonus. Okay.
Yeah, it is. I asked the girls, like, does the guac
she was like,
extra? She's like, no.
Like it was an awkward question, like, why would it? That's funny. Right on. All right, back on the bikes. We're gonna head down the green belt back towards the hotel. All wrapped up with the bike ride, and now we're walking around downtown Boise. Got the state capitol right there, and we're just kind of exploring a little bit. So the back side seems to be more like the government side, the old like downtown area, whereas the front side was more like the college, young, hip area. I was telling Tiffany, Boise's like small enough that it's got like the downtown Phoenix government vibe as well as like the Tempe ASU college vibe all wrapped into one, because you got Boise State right there, you have the state capitol here, so it's like two places combined.
We are back at the hotel room. I just showered after bike riding and I just needed a shower refresh. Sierra's FaceTiming Reagan.
Rig.
So that's keeping her entertained while we take a little refresh break. Bryce is over there watching his, I don't know, YouTube videos probably. And Clint's doing a live stream. So just kind of taking a little break from everything. We got some dinner plans.
That's not what I was
So, yeah.
This little dude's brave. He just jumped up on the bench that I'm sitting on. And then as soon as I pulled the camera out, he jumped down. But look at him, he's posing for you.
You always have to have a couple pillow fights, right? In a hotel room? I don't know why. Just always in hotel rooms.
Reagan's getting this whole video so he can go to jail for assaulting me. Oh. Wait, let's put Reagan up so she can see all this.
But Reagan's over there watching the pillow fight.
Ready?
Why is it that hitting each other with pillows can be so much fun? Who's gonna break or spill something first? Oh!
Reagan has a pillow.
She's hitting the phone. She's involved as well. Is it over?
Is it over? I don't know, is it?
Oh, don't get hurt, guys. We still have a long trip ahead of us.
I don't want to break you. I know we're tickling spot.
Oh, now it's gonna turn into being tickled.
We just need to bring them back. Yeah, and you're elbowing me in the back. Oh, Reagan's back in.
I can hear it.
Dinner time. We got pizza, salad, mac and cheese. Yours looks better, Bryce. Why does yours look better?
Jalapenos.
Jalapenos and bacon. Yeah.
I do so good with that. I'm very so big.
Did you get
Something called licking the spoon. It's brownie batter. Brownie batter.
Alright, we just wrapped up dinner. Tiff and the kids ended up going back to the hotel, grabbed some dessert. I ended up having another drink with some friends. Met up with Real Crafty and Geek Chick. Jesse and Vicky. It's super awesome to catch up with them. They live here in town, so it made sense to hook up with them if they were available, and they were. So they were very gracious to give us their time. So good conversations, good laughs, good times all around. I'm heading back to the hotel now, and gonna call it a night. All right, back in the hotel room. Everyone's cleaning up, winding down, getting tucked in. We got a long drive tomorrow to Reno. Gonna meet up with the Bevos and me and my papa. So stay tuned for that. We'll be in Reno for a couple of days. So yeah, stay tuned. Lots more road trip to come. Vlog on.